Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a moment to check out this video today. And I've got a very vital message for you, particularly if you're a person who, has a desire to move your life to the next level, to change your life in some dynamic, positive way, okay? And you're looking for something new, something exciting for your life, then this message is for you. Okay. And so if you look here for me, it says, how would you like to live a life of leisure? And this is just something to think about. Okay. Think about a life with no stress, no alarm clock. Okay. And it could happen to you if you believe that it could happen to you. And I believe in the power of belief. I believe in the power of faith, that if we operate in belief and if we operate in faith, there's many things in life that we can achieve. There's many things that we can do because we believe we can do them. Okay. And you see it all the time in people who are changing their lives. Okay. So look, think about getting up when you want to, working when and where you want to. Okay. Perhaps you've been dreaming about the car and the house of your dreams. You may want to eventually get out of the rat race. Or maybe none of those things matter to you, but you just have a serious desire to improve your financial situation, to get out of debt, to live debt-free, to be financially independent. Okay. But to live that way begins with thinking about it and having or developing a real desire to do something about it. Okay. So I have a thought for you that I want to share with you. Okay. Okay. And that thought that I want to share with you in this video is this: it's safe to dream again. Okay. I'm going to say that one more time. It's safe to dream again. And I want to introduce you to Oliabo. Oliabo is a unique new company in the health and wellness space. And man, I just love where they're going, where they're heading, the products, the compensation plan. Truly, truly amazing. Okay. But look, it isn't just about products. It's about possibility. Okay. A vision of living with vitality, clarity, and purpose. Oliabo has taken an ancient legacy, the medicinal power of the olive tree, and brought it forward through modern innovation. And I want you to do something, if you would. Just Google the benefits of high quality olive oil. Okay. Just Google and see what it says. All right. Now, Prima, okay, which is our foundational product, restores what modern processing stripped away. Okay. Advanced phytonutrients, preserved purity, proven power for all. Prima has all that in it. It is so powerful. It is an amazing product. Okay. I'm very excited about it. Now look at this. But this story is bigger than wellness. It's about building something meaningful, about momentum, about moving forward together. And this is where your story and my story can have a new beginning. Andiamo. Let's go. Let's go together. Now, I've got some information I want you to take a look at in the description area of this video. I'm going to have a link to my website, a link to an information page. Check everything out. And there's some information, directly there as well. So check it out and see if this is something that you can get excited about, that you can become passionate about like I am. And I believe that, this is a brand new company. And it's less than 5 months old, okay? But it's going to be a powerhouse in this industry, and you can get on board now. We have our team is a top team in the company, and we've got a lot going on. So sign up with me if you're looking to get started in this amazing company. Check it out. It's absolutely free to get signed up. And I could go on and on and on, but I'm going to leave information for you to check it out yourself. I'm Terry Brown. I wish you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.